Good afternoon, traders. It is the S&P Futures Micro Futures chart review for 7/3/2019 and short day of trading. I made a call on the thumbnail of the prep video for 3,000. We made it to 3,001. In the prep video, I'd gone over these potential levels right here for range extensions, 29.95 and 3,002. We didn't quite make it to the 3,002, 3,150 right there, almost to the point. Never really kind of came back into the areas that I was looking for. If you look at the prep video, though, I did mention about this shelf of volume right here at the top, which is where it did find a little bit of support here and took off. So I said that was a potential right there. And looking back here, like on the 60, you can see that it traded right to the tip of that spot right there and found the support and took off. But very strong market today. Weekly finished all the way up. Beautiful close. Not a whole lot of volume in here. Most of the volume's down here at this point. Quick daily check. Look at this bar. Huge bar up. You knew they had to touch 3,000 today. If you were watching the market, it was like literally a panic to make sure that it touched 3,000. I did get a short off right at 3,000. Made a couple ticks off of it. Knowing that other people would be selling there too. So this was where we kind of came in for the prep video today. It was this is like 4:45 in the morning right here. I showed you in the prep video how to draw these lines right against the support, the shelf of volume. I guess somebody didn't like my video. The only person that watched it didn't like it. But you can see as we move forward, there's that perfect touch right there. You get a perfect scalp, 29.85, right back up to 29.86.25. Nice little scalp right off of that level right there. Bounces around on that level and then comes down and touches the next one. You probably would have had to wait this one out a little bit right here. But it finally does go, and that basically takes us off and running at that point. So only two scalp levels made any play, but you can see, the top and the bottom of the profile. I talk about that quite a bit as the areas to test, and you can't really see it in here, but I do believe right to the high volume point. High volume node right here comes, sells back down. I caught that. That was a beautiful trade right there. You had to be patient. I'm sure a lot of people tried to jump on board right here. Seeing this shelf of volume right here, it would have worked for a nice little scalp, but the delta was already up at 12,000. You knew that they really wanted to bleed off some of the shares in order to drive this market hard right over here. So you had to be patient. Kind of had to wait for the high volume node down here. This was the better location. It was in line with the top right here. Multiple factors right here to catch that one, and that was the better trade right there. Up here, you can see again the high volume node traded right in front of it, turned around and left at that point. And if you pull over, you can see right back down into the high volume node. There was two of them right here, and off it goes. So the 95 area was what I was looking for, the range extension, which was right here. This was 95. You can see it came up and touched it. Small little pullback off of it, 100% range extension, but pulled over, used it as support at that point and was gone, and then 3002 was the next 100% range extension, and you can see that it drove right for it. So that's how you use the range extensions when you don't have any levels up above. Not a great sell-off here at all. You can see that it was a level of interest, though, that other people were active. You got trading on both sides of the level. Used it as support, used it as resistance in front of it. Other people are looking at these range extensions too. They know what the 100% range extension is, and that's why they work. But anyways, short day. Not a whole lot going on here. Wish there was more to cover with you guys. Showed you the couple possible trades that I saw in the market. And if you like the analysis, I really appreciate if you guys subscribe to the channel, like the video, share, comment. Let me know if you're using any of this volume strategy to trade with. I'd like to hear if anybody's having any success with the stuff that I'm showing. And I guess I will say happy 4th of July and catch you guys on the next trading day. I'm not sure if Friday will be a half day or not. So take care. Hope you had a good trading day and caught that move up to the top. Take care.